ChatGPT is an AI that can help you write, research, code, brainstorm, and create all kinds of content. But did you know you can turn its power into income? Method 1. Freelance writing, freelance writing. Go to websites like Fiverr or Upwork. Offer blog posts, product descriptions, or social media captions using ChatGPT. One client can easily pay $20 to $50. Method 2. Selling ebooks. Sell ebooks. Ask ChatGPT to help you write a short guide on a trending topic like fitness, finance, or productivity. Design a quick cover and sell it on Gumroad or Etsy. Method 3. Social media content creation. Social media content creation. Use ChatGPT to write engaging captions, carousel scripts, or video ideas for clients. Many Instagram influencers pay for this. Method 4. AI-powered resume services, resume and cover letter services. Offer professional resume writing using ChatGPT. Charge $20 to $50 per resume. Easy money and very high demand. Method 5. YouTube script. Writing. YouTube script writing. Use ChatGPT to write scripts for creators in niches like tech, motivation, or finance. Many creators pay per script. Realistic earning breakdown. I write 2 resumes and 1 blog post. That's already $100. All made possible with ChatGPT. You just need effort, Wi-Fi, and consistency. Now you know how to earn your first $100 online with ChatGPT. Don't wait. Try one of these methods today. Like, share, and subscribe for more money-making tips.